Hey travelers, on this episode of Captain Compass Travel Adventures, we're setting sail through the island of Key West, Florida to uncover experiences you can only find here. From a romantic evening on a private island having dinner under the stars, to a butterfly garden filled with 1,000 new friends, to a museum that transports you back to the island's earliest days. These are the hidden gems and unforgettable moments that make your trip truly Key West exclusive. Let's dive right in. When it comes to sunsets, nowhere in the world does it quite like Key West. And the heart of it all is Mallory Square. These sunsets are world famous, and every single night, the square transforms into a full-on festival of color, culture, and community. Picture this: hundreds of people gather along the waterfront, waiting for the sun to dip low. Vendors line the walkways with handmade art, island trinkets, and tasty treats. You could spend an hour just strolling before the show even begins. And then the performers take over. Magicians amaze, acrobats juggle real knives, dancers move to the island beats. As the sky turns fiery orange, tall masked sailboats glide across the horizon like living postcards. Cameras click, crowds cheer, and just for a moment, everyone is united in awe of that Key West signature sunset. The sunset celebration at Mallory Square isn't just a nightly ritual. It's a one-of-a-kind experience you have to see for yourself. This is where unforgettable Key West memories are made. Just steps away from the southernmost point sits another one of Key West's most breathtaking spots, the Butterfly and Nature Conservatory. Venture in and suddenly you're in a tropical paradise where up to 1,000 butterflies flutter around you, representing 50 to 60 dazzling species. As you stroll along the lush walkways, you see butterflies chasing each other, swooping and spinning, even stopping for a snack on banana peels. Butterfly lore is filled with tales of good luck. So here's a tip: wear yellow and stand very still. And one might land right on your shoulder and make a wish. It's such a surreal moment, you'll definitely want to have a camera ready. And before you leave, don't forget to check yourself for little hitchhikers. Sometimes they're reluctant to say goodbye. Because butterflies live just about 2 weeks, you'll witness every stage of their life cycle here. From caterpillars to chrysalises to newly emerging wings drying in the warm air. It's like watching nature's magic show unfold right before your eyes. Keep an eye out for the conservatory's other residents too. There's turtles, tropical birds, and of course their famous flamingos, red and scarlet, who proudly call this place their home. And when you're done exploring, make sure you stop by the massive gift shop. It's packed with art, keepsakes, and colorful butterfly-themed treasures to help you take a piece of this experience home. For families, couples, or anyone chasing a little wonder, the Butterfly Conservatory is a must-see on your Key West adventures. It's a memory that will stick with you long after you leave the island. If you're looking to create a memory in Key West that will stay with you forever, Latitudes on Sunset Key is a one-of-a-kind experience. Sunset Key isn't just any island. Just 500 yards off the tip of Key West, this 27-acre slice of paradise is home to multi-million-dollar homes and luxury resort villas. You can only get there by ferry or private boat, which makes arriving feel almost like a fantasy island rerun. And once you step onto the island, the real magic begins. Latitudes is a fine dining beachfront restaurant that's famous for its romantic vibe and out-of-this-world sunset views. Fresh seafood straight from the ocean, farm-to-table inspired dishes, and tropical island cocktails crafted for the perfect golden hour toast. Here's a pro tip: reservations are highly recommended. This place often sells out weeks in advance, so plan ahead if you want to snag the best seat by the water. And don't just think dinner. Latitudes also serves up breakfast and lunch, so you could make it a memorable meal any time of the day. The atmosphere? Absolutely dreamy. Waves rolling in, tiki torches flickering, and the sun setting right over the Gulf. Between the amazing food, breathtaking views, and that private island exclusivity, Latitudes is guaranteed to be one of the most memorable Key West moments you'll never forget. Ahoy, history buffs! If you're curious about how Key West became what it is today, then you've got to visit the Key West Shipwreck Museum. Because of the shallow reefs surrounding the island, it was once common for vessels to run aground or sink just offshore. Out of that danger grew one of Key West's very first booming industries, shipwrecking and treasure salvaging. This was a livelihood that put Key West on the map in the 1800s. Inside the museum, you'll find artifacts that date back over a century, giving you a real glimpse into the past. The exhibits combine salvaged treasures, immersive storytelling, and even video presentations that bring to life the daring and often dangerous work of the wreckers. But the highlight for many, the towering observation deck. Climb up to the crow's nest and you'll be rewarded with one of the highest panoramic views in Key West, only second to the lighthouse. From up there, you can picture the lookouts of old, scanning the horizon for ships in distress. From the swashbuckling wreckers of the 1800s to the modern dive crews still working these waters today, the Shipwreck Museum is a journey through fortune and survival. This is one not to be skipped. If you want to kick your sunset experience up a notch, there is no better way to take in that fiery sky than out on the water. You've got options depending on your vibe. Want to party? Hop on a lively boat with a DJ spinning tunes, cocktails flowing, and everyone dancing as the sun dips into the Gulf. Or maybe you're chasing that classic island romance. Then step aboard a tall schooner, where the only soundtrack is the wind filling the sails and the ocean kissing the bow. Either way, you're front row for Mother Nature's most colorful show. Picture the horizon melting into deep orange, red, and purples. It's a view you'll never forget. And while soaking it in, the captain and the crew often share fascinating bits of history and hidden secrets about this quirky island town. On the schooner, you might even get hands-on and help raise the sail yourself. Talk about a story to tell back home. And here's the best part. Most of these cruises run about 2 hours, cost about $90 to $110, and often include tasty bites and an open bar. So whether you're dancing on the deck or sailing smooth under the canvas, a sunset cruise is one of the most memorable experiences you can have in Key West. No trip to Key West is complete without a slice of key lime pie. But why stop there when you can dive headfirst into key lime everything? For that, you've got to make a stop at Kermit's Key Lime Shop. This isn't just a pie shop. It's a full-on explosion of key lime flavored surprises. Once you're through the door, get ready for a treasure chest of sweet delights. You'll find key lime jelly beans, saltwater taffy, even graham crackers dipped in luscious key lime pie coating. Feeling adventurous? Try a frozen key lime pie on a stick, dipped in chocolate. It's like island magic on a stick. Hold on to your sweet tooth, because Kermit's also has a cookie bar. Rows of fresh cookies in unique flavors, and yes, you can sample them. It's another reason locals and visitors alike keep coming back. Up next is the crown jewel, the classic key lime pie. Rich, creamy, perfectly balanced between tart and sweet. You can have a slice right in the shop, relax on their covered patio, or even box it up and take it home. A trip to Kermit's isn't just dessert, it's an experience. A little like going on a treasure hunt where every turn reveals another key lime gem. So don't leave Key West without stopping by. It's a memory your taste buds will thank you for. That wraps up Captain Compass's roadmap to some of the one-of-a-kind experiences you can only find in Key West. Of course, there's still plenty more to explore, from the legendary Hemingway House and Truman's Little White House to the Key West Maritime Museum. There's history and adventure around every corner. You can even hop aboard the Old Town Trolley or conch train to uncover more of the island's stories. There's never a shortage of magic waiting here in paradise. Planning your own Key West vacation? Remember, Captain Compass Travel and Cruise is a full-service travel agency. We'd love to help you make it unforgettable. Drop a comment below and share your favorite Key West memories or hidden gems. We'd love to hear what made your trip special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Check out our other Key West adventure, Secret Eats Locals Love, linked at the end of this video. This is Captain Compass Travel Adventures, signing off until our next destination. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next voyage.